Lesson 5. Discovering your strengths. How to go beyond your skills and excel in life. Welcome back to the next lesson of our IKIGAI. It's great to have you with us again on this incredible journey. By now, you should have already started to fill in your IKIGAI chart and have given some thought to the 4 critical aspects: things you love, things the world needs, things you're good at, and things you can be paid for. If you have been following along, then you will know that yesterday we explored the things that bring you the most joy, your passions, and the things you love doing. Today, we'll be focusing on your skills and what you're good at. When thinking about your skills, it's essential to cast a wide net and consider all areas of expertise. Don't limit yourself to only the skills that immediately come to mind, such as a talent for cooking, a knack for golf, or a killer karaoke voice. Think deeper and try to relate your skills to the things you love to do. For example, if you're a skilled communicator who can read people well and communicate effectively with others based on their personality, that's an incredibly valuable skill. This skill pairs well with a love of helping people and a desire to make a difference, opening up various career options such as social work, psychology, mentoring, or teaching. Identifying your skills is crucial to finding your IKIGAI and unlocking your potential. So take the time to reflect on what you excel at, what you enjoy doing, and how those two things might intersect. Remember, sometimes the most unexpected skills can lead to exciting opportunities, so don't limit yourself. It's important to reflect on your progress so far. One way to do this is to connect your skills to the things you love. For example, if you're a great communicator who enjoys helping people, that skill could lead to a fulfilling career in social work, psychology, or mentoring. The key is to think outside the box and explore how your skills can be applied in different ways. If you're having trouble identifying your skills, think about what others have praised you for. What do people often ask for your help with? What are you known for in your social or professional circles? These clues can lead you to your strengths and skills. Remember, your skills and strengths aren't just limited to technical abilities. Soft skills like problem solving, organization, and creativity are just as important to consider. And if there's something you're not great at but have a desire to improve, list it anyway. With dedication and practice, you can always get better. As we continue our journey towards discovering our purpose and passions, it's important to shake off any limiting beliefs or fears of being seen as conceited for owning our strengths. Remember, owning and embracing your greatness is the first step towards unlocking your full potential. It's also important to note that upskilling requires a certain level of patience and persistence. You may need to push past that frustration barrier and keep practicing until you're good at it. But remember, there's always a method. One way to approach learning a new skill is to break it down into smaller tasks. Take small steps and focus on each task as you go. This will help you stay motivated and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Another important aspect of learning a new skill is to seek out feedback. Find someone who is skilled in that area and ask for their opinion on your progress. This can be a great way to get constructive criticism and improve your skills even further. And don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. Every small victory is a step in the right direction and should be acknowledged. This will help keep you motivated and encourage you to keep pushing forward. So, as you continue on your journey to uncover your purpose and unlock the power of your inner genius, remember to keep practicing and never give up. With dedication and persistence, you can develop the skills you need to achieve your goals and fulfill your purpose. And don't forget the power of accountability. Having someone who can keep you motivated and accountable for your progress is key. Maybe it's a friend who shares your passion for the skill you're trying to improve, or maybe it's a mentor or coach who can guide you along the way. Whatever the case, having someone to report back to can give you that extra push to keep going, especially when things get tough. Remember, practice doesn't always make perfect, but it does make progress. Really, celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Maybe you finally nailed that tricky guitar riff, or perhaps you edited your first photograph without any major errors. These small victories build momentum and can help you stay motivated to keep practicing and improving. Lastly, don't be afraid to pivot or adjust your focus as you go. Maybe you thought you wanted to be a professional photographer, but as you learned more about the craft, you discovered that your true passion lies in nature photography. It's okay to shift gears and adjust your goals as you learn more about yourself and the skill you're pursuing. So, as you continue on your journey of self-discovery and skill improvement, keep these tips in mind. Break down the skill, practice with dedication, seek out resources and feedback, celebrate your progress, find accountability, and be open to adjusting your goals along the way. You've got this. To sum up, becoming good at any skill requires breaking it down into its sub-skills, dedicating enough time to practice, and making a commitment to follow through. But in today's world, with so many distractions and time constraints, it's easy to let other things get in the way of our goals. That's why it's crucial to be intentional about our time and eliminate any unnecessary distractions. This means leaving our phones in another room, turning off email notifications, and even working offline if possible. But the most important factor in becoming good at a skill is making a commitment to ourselves and following through. It's easy to get bogged down with other responsibilities and let our goals fall by the wayside. However, if we want to make progress and achieve mastery, we need to prioritize our practice and make it a non-negotiable part of our schedule. It won't be easy, especially in the beginning, but with time and dedication, we'll improve and find more satisfaction in our efforts. And as we move forward in this journey of discovering our purpose and uncovering our ikigai, it's important to remember the end goal. What legacy do we want to leave behind? How can we use our skills and passions to make a meaningful impact on the world? These are tough questions, but they're also ones that can give our lives purpose and meaning. So, let's keep pushing forward, dedicating ourselves to our goals, and staying focused on what truly matters. See you in the next lesson, and until next time, keep on rising.